How to delete your YouTube TV library. If you want to remove recordings from your YouTube TV library stored in the cloud DVR, you can follow these steps. 1. Delete recordings from the YouTube TV website computer. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the YouTube TV website and log in with your Google account. Step 2. Access your library. Click on the Library tab in the left-hand menu. You'll see a list of all your recorded shows, movies, and other content. Step 3. Select and delete recordings. Hover over the recording you want to delete. Click on the 3 vertical dots, More Options, next to the recording. Select Delete to remove it from your library. Step 4. Confirm deletion. Confirm that you want to delete the recording. It will be removed from your library and no longer take up storage. 2. Delete recordings from the YouTube TV mobile app, iOS/Android. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your mobile device. Step 2. Go to the library. Tap on the library icon at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Select and delete recordings. Find the recording you want to delete in your library. Tap on the 3 vertical dots next to the recording. Select Delete. Step 4. Confirm deletion. Confirm that you want to delete the recording and it will be removed from your library. 3. Delete all recordings. Clear entire library. Step 1. Go to YouTube TV settings. On the YouTube TV website or app, go to Settings. Scroll down to the DVR section. Step 2. Clear all recordings. Look for the option to clear all recordings in your library. This will delete everything saved in your cloud DVR. Confirm the action to clear your entire library. With these steps, you can easily manage and delete recordings from your YouTube TV library.